Forget everything you know about smartphones. A colossal display, a groundbreaking design. Say hello to Samsung's triple folding phone, a device that's as bold as it is brilliant. Are you ready for the next big thing? Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's jump in. Samsung's triple folding smartphone, the next frontier. Samsung has been quietly developing a triple folding smartphone for years, aiming to revolutionize the market. However, Huawei's Mate X2, an impressive and high-end device, beat Samsung to the punch when it launched in September. According to a leak from Korean publication ET News, Samsung is set to release its own trifold smartphone next year. This device will feature a massive display that unfolds to between 9 and 10 inches, a departure from the rollable screens previously teased. Instead, Samsung will use an enfolding display design, where both sides fold inward. Size matters. The display and the crease issue. Samsung's upcoming trifold is rumored to have an unfolded screen size between 9 and 10 inches, significantly larger than the Z Fold SIXS 7.6-inch display. Ingenious design and prototypes. Samsung's decision to go with a double folding design was influenced by concerns about durability. An outward folding screen is more prone to damage from drops and impacts. Samsung has been exploring inward folding smartphones through prototypes like the Flex S and Flex G, showcased at CES 2022. The Flex S used a folding mechanism similar to the Huawei Mate X2, while the Flex G demonstrated an inward folding design without an external display. That's a wrap on the Samsung triple folding phone. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates on Samsung's next big release. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.